Hello, welcome to everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you exercise 6G of the chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is decimal. So let us start the video. So students, this is exercise 6G in front of you. Let me start with question number 1. So in question number 1, the question is saying multiply. Now in multiply, we have to multiply 0.3 by 0.8. Now students, what you have to do? Now you will say that now here is decimal, so it will be very difficult to multiply it. No, it's not very difficult. It's very easy. I will tell you a simple method by which you can do it very easily. And what is that method? Just forget about the decimal. Don't think that there is decimal. Just think it is 3 into 8. So 3 into 8 is 24. Okay. Now, as there are this decimal is after one digit and this decimal is also after one digit, so total you have to put decimal after two digit in your answer. So 1 2 you will put a decimal here in your answer and then 0 here, so your answer is 0.24. This is the answer. Okay, so this you will do in a rough. Okay, and in fair you will you have to do this. Now let me tell you the next question, which is question C. It is 1.25 multiplied by 15.3. So forget about the decimal, just think as it is 125 multiply 153. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 1s are 3. Now cross, multiply by 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Okay, now when you will multiply 125 by 1, you will get 125. So add these numbers 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, so 2, 1 carry, and 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11. Okay, 1 carry, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 and 1. So you are having decimal here after one digit and here after two digit, so total after three digit. So you have to put decimal in your answer after three digit here. So your answer is going to be 19.125. So look at this, it is so simple. Okay, now let me tell you question E. So it is 0.018 multiply by 1.56. So you have to do the same thing which I have told you in the previous question. Forget about the decimal. Just think it is 157 into 18. Okay, 157 into 18. Now multiply it. 8 5 8 sevens are 56. 5 carry. 8 fives are 40 plus 5 45. 4 carry. 8 ones are 8 plus 4 12. Multiply 157. Okay, so 6 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and 1 1 2. Now here you are having decimal after 2 digit, here you are having decimal after 3 digit. So 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 5. So you have to put decimal after 5 digit. Okay, now 1 2 3 4. Now you will say there are only 4 digits, so how can I place decimal after 5 digit? So add 1 0 here on your own and then put a decimal here and 0. So your answer is 0.02826. It is the final answer. Is it clear? So now you have to do in question number 1, question A, question C. Okay. So you have to do question C now. and then question E, question G, and question I. Fine. Now let me tell you question second. So now what the question second is saying, question second says if 59 multiplied by 8.7 is equal to 513.3, find the product of each of the following. Part A, 5.9 into 8.7. Now this is very simple. You can say that 59 multiplied by 8.7 is 513.3. So if I say, if I remove decimal from here, look at this. If I remove decimal from here, so I can remove decimal from here also. So I can say 59 multiplied by 87 is 5133. Fine. Now you have to do the same multiplication here because we are having the same number. So answer will also be the same, 5133. But here we are having decimal after one digit. Here also after one digit. So we will put decimal after two digit. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. So we will put decimal after two digit here. So your answer will be 51.33. Okay, 51.33. This is the answer of the A part. In the same way, you will do the B part, and now I'm going to tell you the C part of this question. So in C part, 0.59 multiplied by 0.087. So we know that if we multiply 59 to 87, we will get 5133. So write 5133. Now here we are having decimal after 3 digit, 1 2 3. Here after 2 digit, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we have to put decimal after 5 digit in the answer. But 1 2 3 4, only 4 digits are there. So add 1 0 and then put the decimal and this 0 also. So your answer is 0.05133. This is the answer. Okay. So do all the parts A, B, C and D in question number 2. Now let me tell you question 3 of this exercise. And question 3 says multiply 7.346 by 9. Hence write down the product orally when 7.346 is multiplied by 90, 900, 0.9 and 0.009. So first multiply this. Okay. Now forget about the decimal. Suppose there is no decimal and then multiply 5 6 are, oh sorry, 9 6 are 54. So 4 5 carry. Okay. And 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. 4 carry. 9 3s are 27 plus 4. 27 plus 4 is 31. 3 carry. Now 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. Okay. So this is the answer, but we are having decimal after 3 digit 1 2 3. So we will put decimal after 3 digit in answer also. So the answer is 66.114. Now what will happen if I do the first part in which I will multiply 7.346 by 90? So students, first of all, suppose there is no decimal. If there is no decimal, think that there is no decimal and there is no zero also. Okay. So what will be the answer if I multiply 7,346? The answer will be 66 point, sorry. Suppose here also there is no decimal. So there will also be no decimal. Okay. So now you can say that, sir, if I multiply 7,346 by 9, I'll get this answer. So I will write 6,600, 66,114. This is the answer. Now you are having 1 0 here. So this 0 will also be there in the answer. Okay. 1 0. So we will put 1 0 here. Now we are having decimal here. means 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits. So I will place decimal after 3 digit in answer also, 1, 2, 3. So decimal will be here. So the answer will be 661.140. This is the answer. Fine. Now let me tell you the B part of this question. So this question is very interesting. Think about it. What if I multiply 7.346 by 900? So students, now think about this decimal. Suppose there is no decimal, okay, and there is no zero also. So what will happen if I multiply the same number 7,346 by 9? I'll get the same answer, 66,114. Okay. Now here we are having 2 zeros. So I will also increase 2 zero in answer also, fine. And the decimal is here 7.346. So 3 after 3 digit the decimal is here. So we will also put decimal after 3 digit in the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We will put decimal here. So this is the final answer. The answer is 6611.400. Okay, this is the answer. So without multiplication, you have to write the answer orally. Fine. Is it clear? Now, what you will do if you'll multiply in C part, let me erase this, then I'll tell you the C part. Okay. Okay. So the question is saying in part C, we have to multiply 7.346 by 0.9. Okay. So think about, forget about the decimals. Just forget that there is any decimal. So I'm erasing the decimal and this 0 also. So what will happen if I multiply 7,000, okay, 346 by 9? So already we have done this multiplication here. I'll write 6,000, 66,114. But you are having decimal here and here also. So how many decimals you can, after how many digit the decimal is here? So after 1 digit here and after 3 digit here. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have to put decimal after 4 digit in the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, so the answer will be 6.6114. This is the answer. Now this part do yourself and write your answer. Okay, now let me tell you question number 4. So what the question 4 is saying, it is saying Alok weighs 50.87 kilogram. His father weighs 1.5 times heavier than he is. Calculate his father's weight. Okay, so you will write weight of Alok is equal to 50.87 and write weight of his father is equal to 1.5 times. Times means multiply. Okay, remember always times means this. Times means multiply. So we'll multiply, use the sign of multiply, 1.5 times the weight of Alok. So 1.5 and the weight of Alok is 50.87. Now multiply this and write the answer in kilogram. Okay, do this question on your own and then write the answer. Next question, question 5. It says a terracotta shirt is sold at the rate of 68.25 per meter. So you'll write 1 meter cost of shirt is equal to rupees 68.25. For how much can I get 9.5 meter of this clothes? So what is the cost of 9.5 meter of cloth? It will be equal to 68.25 multiplied by 9.5. Now you have to multiply it and find the answer. And how are you going to do this? I have told you the method. Just forget about the decimal and multiply as you used to do. And in the answer, when you will find the answer, then in your answer, you have to see here the decimal is after 2 digit, here the decimal is after 1 digit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So you will put decimal in your answer after 3 digit. This is very simple. Okay. So students, this is all for today. Thank you everyone.